Jayesh, how many states in India?
28 states in the India.
State and capital city, tell me now.
Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Bengal, Kolkata, Uttarakhand, Dehradun.
How many union territories?
8.
Tell me now.
Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Daman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavratri, Puducherry, Ladakh, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar.
Okay, thank you.